Hi friends, today I am sharing the simple, easy, low carb, low calorie, high protein meal or recipe with you guys. So I'm showing 3 of my ingredients here, but I did use 4 because I did use 2 protein. So first up was my protein. I went ahead and cooked my ground turkey, and I did added some chopped onions in there and seasoned this for flavor. Then I went in with that Asian veggie mix that I got from Walmart, and in this bag it was 160 calories per serving, so that was awesome. Because I was having this for dinner, I wanted to make it a bit more filling, so I went in with some cauliflower, and I wish I didn't use all of the cauliflower. I wish I used like a cup or 2 or half the bag, because it just changed everything, but it made it very dense, so it was okay at the end, but I wish I didn't use all of it. I also went in with a second protein, which was eggs. I added 3 eggs. You don't even have to add these eggs if you don't want to. I wish I had scrambled it after or fried and added it later, but this is where I should have changed my pot so I could get a better scramble here. I also went in with this sesame ginger dressing that came in the bag and some low sodium soy sauce, and this was my dinner, guys. I really enjoyed it. While I was shopping at Aldi, I found this zero sugar kombucha, which went well with my low carb dinner. So this was it, guys.